Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shravanti and you're watching She Explains Everything. So, today I'm back with another interesting topic on MS Word, which is the read aloud option. I'm going to quickly show you how we can use that. And before we get started, just a thought is that we as human beings are kind of better at learning things when they are read out to us, or when there's a voice reading it out to us or something like that, instead of reading through. So we grasp things better, we remember things better when they're read out loud to us. So this option can become very useful for students, or for that matter anybody who probably has a long word document in front of them, 9 pages, 10 pages, 20 pages, and you're trying to read through it and you're not able to concentrate, losing focus, etc. So it would be very helpful when that document is kind of read out to us. We will be able to grasp it better and concentrate better, right? So that's why we'll look into this option today. So I'll show you quickly how we can do that. Let's get into it. Okay. So I just have pasted a quick text over here to illustrate the feature that we have over here. So how do we do it now? So you can either use your cursor and select the entire text that you want to read, or if you sort of want to read the entire document itself as a whole, what you can do is come out and click on Control A, sorry, which is Control plus A. Okay, so the whole text has been selected now. Now what you can do is right click on your mouse. Okay, when you right click over here, you get a read aloud option over here. So go ahead and click on this.
A coffee and a chance. Maya spilled her coffee again, right in front of the same stranger she
Right? So it started reading it for us. So a couple of options over here apart from just the read option is, if you click here, there's a settings option. So you also have an option to kind of select whether you want a male voice or a female voice. So you can sort of go ahead and try to play around with this, and you can also change the reading speed if you want it to be read much slower to you or a little faster to you. You can choose your reading speed as well. That's also present available over here. Okay, so just quickly see how this works, right? So you can go click on play once again. So when you click on play, basically what happens is wherever your cursor is present, right, it starts playing from there again. In case you wanted to play from the beginning, you can either use this option or you can place your cursor at the beginning. So let's just play this and see first.
Into every Tuesday morning at the cafe. He smiled.
Right? So that's working. So now if you want to kind of go back, you can either use this option, which is the previous option, or the if you want to go to the next paragraph, you can use this. What this does is it goes to the previous paragraph,
Maya spilled
or
her coffee.
and this goes to the next
This is
paragraph, right? So this is to navigate.
Maya laughed, cheeks red.
These options are to navigate to different paragraphs. Now, for if you just want to randomly, like, start reading from somewhere else, and you know exactly where you want to reread from, then you can just go ahead and place your cursor. Our cursor is here right now. Let's say I want to read from here. I can just go ahead and place my cursor over here and click on play. So
One coffee turned into two.
right? So you just place the cursor wherever you want to continue reading from, and you can do it from there itself. Got it? So these are the setting options: previous, next, paragraph navigation, and wherever you want to read from, place your cursor there and click on play as well. Got it? So that's how you use the read aloud option. So go ahead and try it out and let me know if there are any questions that you have. Please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you answer them. All right? Thank you. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.